Just like that, a monkey was in charge of a popcorn wagon.
Customers.
Had suddenly gotten very busy. He tried to remember all the steps. The steps. Remember all the steps. But he got off to a rocky start. But the order of the order was all wrong. The lemonade went in the cup. The popcorn went in the bag.
And the scooper stayed in the machine.
Soon, George had the system down so well, he could fill 2 orders at the same time. Until finally, all the customers were gone. So was the popcorn. George would have to make more. George remembered he had to measure. Now to tidy up a bit. Compass wondered if there was more of that fluffy stuff inside. Maybe it was hidden in the bag. Most people don't like pigeon in their popcorn. A very big bird was next to Compass. Could that be an osprey? Nope, it was just a raven.